Hello everyone and welcome to Plaisir Cadeaux and Fleurs flower channel. Today, because of the holidays being just around the corner, I thought we'd do something really sweet and quick for your home decor when you have family and friends over. We're going to work with Gypsophila or baby's breath, which is one of my favorite fillers, or actually flowers. I use them as flowers. They are dreamy, they are light, they are delicate, and we can do a lot of things with them. A long time ago, a lot of florists were using them in the old-fashioned way, which is just shove them in the middle of a red rose bouquet and that's it. And really, that's such an insult to baby's breath because they have so much more potential. So baby's breath are very easy to work with and they last a very long time. You don't even need to have them in water. That's one of the things I love about them because it makes them very versatile. You don't need scissors or cutters. You can just use your hands and rip them apart like this. You're gonna need some scissors later on, but just make them into small little bunches. If you have a pair of cutters, use them. If you have scissors, use them. You go and you just cut them really short. All you need is a very short vase or even a glass of water will work. This is only 10 centimeters height, so you want them to be short. Use a good old elastic band like that, put it around. And these tiny little bunches of baby's breath that you've cut, just put them through the elastic. And you work all the way around. Once you are done, you can take your scissors and cut the extra stems that are coming out of your elastic. I'll show you how. You take your scissors and you cut the ones that are long, easily done, up, up. Once you're finished decorating all the baby's breath around the vase or around your water glass, just use either ribbon or I kind of like these natural ropes and put it around. I'll show you the finished product. Like this. And you just put a small candle in the center. Let's light it and see how pretty it is. And here you go, a beautiful and dreamy Gypsophila decor for when you have friends and family over. Just gonna add that little touch of elegance to your gatherings. If you enjoyed today's video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you soon. Happy holidays.